Lisa Antonio messaged me because she has a leaky faucet in the kitchen and a toilet that will not stop running. So I'm gonna grab some supplies. I'm showing up on her doorstep. We're gonna get it taken care of. We have never done this before. It's very exciting. It's the punch list on drewandjonathan.com. There's one resource in Vegas that you do not want to waste, and that is water. Lisa has a kitchen faucet that's leaking, a toilet that keeps running, and it's been driving her mad. In the middle of the night, if she has to use the bathroom, she has to go into the bathroom, turn the valve on, fill the tank, use it, then turn it off. What a pain. This is going to be a great surprise for Lisa.
Hi, my name is Lisa, and I've been a Twitter follower of Jonathan for a long time now. Actually, I have a crush on Jonathan. I love all his work. I love how he does construction. I love the comedy between the brothers. So right behind me, you will see my annoying issue. One of them is my leaking faucet. It's been going on for what, a year now? Having this problem will make my bill go up higher. And as a single mom, we need to save in every way we can. Every penny counts. For the environment and for my bill, I need help with this. Jonathan, please help me fix my leaking faucet so I can save money.
Got a message online from Lisa Antonio. She said she's got a leaky faucet and a toilet that won't stop running. Those are problems that waste a lot of water, so we're gonna fix it. Lisa, I heard that you were wasting water. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Surprise! I hear you're having problems. I love you too.
Question you.
You have good taste.
Oh my goodness.
Well, let's come in here. Show me what we got. This is the faucet here. I'll take hugs. I've probably never made you feel so short.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, it's the best day of my life.
One thing that's important is obviously not wasting water. Even just a little drip like this or the toilet that's running all the time, it can really, really waste a lot of money.
Environment and my wallet, right?
Well, yeah, because here we pay for water usage. Howard is gonna get you in good shape. We're gonna pull this out of here. We'll shut the water off. Before you know it, you'll have no more leaks.
Wow, so today is
We're
the
doing it right
big
now.
day.
20 minutes and we'll have this whipped in.
Thank you. I won't go back to work anymore now that I saw you.
What do you think of this?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at the difference. Outdated, brand new.
Brand spanking
And
new.
chrome.
And it also has the built-in sprayer. So
Oh,
get those dishes
thank
done.
you.
I like to consider this like the jewelry of the kitchen. You gotta have a nice faucet. There's only one way to possibly get a project like this done this quick, and that's to have Howard here working with me. One of us under, one of us over. We'll swap this out. And before you know it, Lisa's gonna have a beautiful new faucet. I like everything to be straight, fit perfectly. It looks so good. Go! Oh no. This is basically, it just runs and runs and runs and runs. I've got the valve off right now. Trick is, with a lot of these systems, as soon as they start to fail, there's nothing you can really do. You have to swap the components out. That is how we stop a toilet from leaking. This is an upgrade.
Yes, it is. Definitely thanks to you.
You're very welcome. The cool thing too, you've got the sprayer. This is a beautiful faucet, and it's nice to have that extra little height.
Look at the difference it made to my sink now.
You'll probably never leave the kitchen. You'll be standing here just looking constantly at this beautiful
Exactly.
faucet.
Admiring it.
How quick was it from when you heard from us?
It was 3 days after I sent the post, then you came over to my house.
Is it a good surprise?
It was the best surprise of my life. Thank you.
You're very welcome. And that was something that was easy. Now it's beautiful. No more leaks. No more wasted water. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. My house looks upgraded.
If you have a problem at home, just post a picture online. I might show up on your doorstep, just like I did with Lisa. We got a hug.